Respected Swami Ashutosh Dr. Gopalakrishnan, Swami Atma Shraddhananda, Professor Murthy, faculty colleagues, VSC volunteers, supporters, freshers, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of a very nice function which marks a new beginning wherein we kickstart the activities of the VSC for the year 2012 and 13. There's all the more reason in view of the sesquicentennial or the 150th anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. This year the Ramakrishna Mutt is also celebrating the 150th birth anniversary of Swami Ramakrishnananda, founding father and architect of the Mylapore Mutt. As told earlier, the University of Chicago, a Vivekananda chair has been set up with a funding of 1.5 million. The University of Southern California has also set up a Vivekananda chair. As a faculty member of IIT Madras, I am delighted to note that VSC is entering its 16th year. It's completely run by students, which means if it has to run continuously and successfully, there should be a strong force which is uniting generations of students. The students are leaving in 4 years or 5 years. That force is nothing else but the teachings of Swami Vivekananda and Sri Ramakrishna. So there is a kind of ananta or timelessness associated with Swamiji's teachings. His thoughts and words are far too intense and powerful, and one cannot possibly read more than a few pages of the complete works in one sitting. The few pages, if you read few pages, it forces us to have so much of introspection that we will not be able to proceed further. You try reading the complete works, after 4 pages, it will be so intense that you cannot proceed further. So you'll have to absorb what he meant to proceed further. So the VSC is very much required in order that we study his teachings as a group with a guide so that we get maximum benefit out of the teachings. I am also equally proud to say that the faculty has contributed very little to the success of the VSC. So the success of the VSC has to do a lot with the Swamis of the Mylapore Mutt who have been guiding us, and the untiring spirit and the hard work of successive batches of student volunteers. I would like to thank the Mylapore Mutt for the unstinted support. Swami Atma Shraddhananda has been an ever inspirational teacher and is a fulcrum of the VSC for the last 8 years. His simple explanations of profound truths make him an outstanding guru. The campus cannot wait longer for the VSC classes to begin this year. Personally, I would like to congratulate and thank the wonderful VSC volunteers, past, present and future, for the good work and for shaping out to be outstanding human beings. The journey in the VSC classes is spectacular. You must come and join us in one of those Sundays, wherein deep questions like what is it by knowing which everything else is known are taken up for discussion. This is the subject of Mundaka Upanishad. Please come to VSC to get answers to such questions. At another level, we also have practical topics like time management, stress management, meditation, prayer and so on, which are also taken up for discussion. I would also urge the students to look carefully at the order in the order. The second order in my sentence refers to the Ramakrishna order. For those of you who have not seen the Mylapore Mutt, please do make a visit and look at the optimal combination of sincerity of purpose, simplicity, cleanliness and punctuality in all of the activities of the Mutt. VSC is proud and more importantly fortunate to have the continued support of the Mylapore Mutt. The presence of Swami Ashutosh today in today's function is a proof of this. Thanks are also due to the speaker, Dr. Gopalakrishnan, who has taken his time out to be present with us. His incredible energy levels are simply amazing. So he'll beat any professor hands down. Thank you, sir. I also thank Professor B.S. Murthy, a highly accomplished metallurgist with keen interest in spirituality and metaphysics, for gracing today's function. Thanks are due to Director IIT Madras and the Dean students for being a constant source of support to VSC, to IIT Madras for all the infrastructural and moral support wherever needed, to the humanities and the mechanical engineering departments for providing us venues for conducting the Sunday classes. Finally, in IIT language, VSC is SAB course. In IIT language, VSC is SAB course, where anyone attending the course will get either S grade or A grade or B grade without taking any exam. Okay? So, in simple English, it is life 101. Thank you all.